Hello, little friends. Have you ever been outside on a super-duper hot summer day? Kind of day where the sun is shining bright and all you want to do is put on your bathing suit and cool off? Well, today is one of those hot, sticky days in the neighborhood park. And at the very edge of the park is the best place in the whole world, the splash pad. Do you know who loves the splash pad more than anybody? A little toddler octopus named Ollie. Ollie is small and purple, and because he is an octopus, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wiggly tentacles. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ollie waddled onto the wet, squishy ground of the splash pad. There were tall painted palm trees that rained water down. There were little green frogs that squirted water from their mouths. But Ollie's absolute favorite thing wasn't the frogs or the trees. It was the giant red button. You see, at the splash pad, the water doesn't run all the time. To turn the water on, you have to push the giant red button in the middle of the park. When you push it, flush, pshhs, all the fountains shoot water high into the sky. Ollie wiggled over to the big red button. He loved pushing it. In fact, he loved it so much that he didn't want anyone else to push it. When a little turtle walked up to take a turn, Ollie wrapped all 8 of his tentacles around the shiny red button. He hugged it tight. "Mine," Ollie said, shaking his head. "My button." The little turtle looked sad and walked away. Next, a little seahorse floated over to try. But Ollie squeezed the button even tighter. "Mine," Ollie said again. Only Ollie pushes the button. Ollie pushed the button. Flush. The water shot up. It looked so fun. Ollie wanted to run through the water, but he couldn't. If he let go of the button to go play, someone else might push it. So Ollie just stood there, hugging the plastic button, watching the water. Through a minute, the timer ran out. The water slowly trickled down to a stop. Drip, drop, plop. The splash pad was quiet. Ollie looked around. The little turtle and the little seahorse were on the other side of the park, playing a game of tag in the grass. They were laughing and having a great time together. Ollie looked at the giant red button. Then he looked at his 8 empty tentacles. He felt a little lonely. Hugging a plastic button all by himself wasn't actually very fun. Just then, a tiny red crab scuttled up to the button. Click, clack, click, clack. Crab looked up at Ollie with big, hopeful eyes. Ollie thought about saying "mine" again. But then he thought about how fun it is to laugh and run with friends. Ollie unwrapped his tentacles from the button. He smiled a big, happy smile and held out one tentacle to the little crab. "Do you want to turn?" Ollie asked. "We can push it together." The little crab clicked his claws with joy. "Yes, please." On the count of 3, Ollie and the little crab pushed the giant red button together. 1, 2, 3. Push. Flush. Pshhs. The water shot high into the bright blue sky. This time, Ollie didn't stay by the button. He grabbed the little crab's claw and together they ran right through the middle of the biggest water fountain. They laughed, they splashed, and they got completely soaked. Ollie learned a very important lesson that hot summer day. A giant red button is fun to push, but sharing and playing together is the most fun of all. The end.